This is Malco Pipe Crimper 5 blade. The handle feels like a plastic, and here is the rubber, so you can get a very good grip. And the operating is super smooth. Here is all the bolts, so it is very durable tool and very well made. You can see that here said made in the USA, and the tool is like got quite some weight on it, and the blade is very thick. Now let's make a test. So this is a 5-inch pipe. I'm going to use it to see how it works. So I didn't use a lot of strength, and it just easily you can get, no matter short or longer. You see that you can easily make the grooves. Yeah, just like this. And after you make a circle, you can put this one into another 5-inch pipe easily. And I think this tool is very easy to use and pretty strong. I don't think that this kind of sheet metal can break it. Highly recommend it. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.